next point is basicity of acid and acidity of base. Basicity of acid. What is the meaning of basicity of acid? For that we consider this table only. Just now we calculate the number of H plus ion obtained from one molecule. So here 1 H plus ion, 1 H plus ion, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 3. So now what is the meaning of basicity? The number of H plus ion obtained from one molecule of acid is known as basicity of acid. The number of H plus ions obtained from one molecule of acid is known as basicity of acid. On the other hand, acidity of base. The number of OH minus ion obtained from one molecule of base is known as acidity of base. I am repeating once again. The number of OH minus ion obtained from one molecule of base is known as acidity of base. And basicity of acid, number of H plus ions obtained from one molecule of acid is known as basicity of acid. Okay, understood? Now the next point is concentrate and the dilute acids or base. Concentrate. The very commonly we are using this word concentrate and dilute. So when we are preparing sharbat, when the guest comes, we are just offering sharbat. So when you prepare sharbat, you are taking a syrup of particular type of that flavor. For example, lemon sharbat you are making. So lemon juice you are taking in a small quantity and then you are adding water to it. So whenever you are taking lemon juice in more quantity and water in less quantity, then it is a strong sharbat, because there the lemon juice is solute and water we are adding, that is solvent, and together we are mixing, that is the solution. So that solution is concentrate. On the other hand, if we are taking very less lemon juice and more water we are pouring, then it is a dilute solution, because here lemon juice, that is solute, is in small quantity and solvent, that is water, is in a large quantity. So whenever solute is in the large quantity and solvent is in a small quantity, the solution is known as concentrated solution. And when the solute is in small quantity and solvent is in large quantity, the solution is known as dilute solution.